Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abigail, and I make videos about special needs and about gastroperesis, which is a digestion issue I have. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my care package, plus some clothes that I got. So basically, for those of you that don't know, I'm going to camp here in a little less than a week, and one of my friends put together a care package for me, so just different things you would need for camp. And I also got some new clothes today. New to me clothes, and I don't know if they'll all fit or not. I still gotta try them all on, but I thought that I would show you all. So let's get started. The first thing I got was this activity tracker. I've been trying to exercise on good stomach days, and so this is what it looks like. We haven't put batteries in it yet, but I thought the days that I don't wear my wristbands, I can wear this, and it can like track my steps. Right now I'm wearing my wristbands though. And then I also got this, I put y'all right here so I can hold it up for y'all. My phone will stand up for me. I got this really pretty dress. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's this really pretty dress, and it has like this black stuff at the bottom. And it's honestly really, really pretty. But the thing about it is, in the middle right here, it has elastic. And it kind of hurts my stomach because of the elastic right there. So I'll have to donate that one back, sadly. But that's one of the things that I got. I also got, I did try this shirt on and it did fit. This is like I don't know what, I think it's like a t-shirt. It kind of looks like a exercise shirt, just like a short sleeve shirt. But either I could sleep in it, or the days that, you know, I'm exercising, maybe I could wear it as like a cool shirt to exercise in. I did get 2 pairs of leggings. These are green. And then I got some black ones. It's honestly hot at camp, but I thought leggings would be good to have for here. And then I got this Hakuna Matata shirt. That's what it looks like. And then I got this shirt that says Queen. I thought it looked comfortable to just sleep in. And then this was actually a brand new shirt. It was originally $9, but I got it for free, and it says blessed on it. And then I got this shirt that says the days of the week, and then each day of the week has something like some kind of emoji on it. And then this is my big care package. So let me set y'all up over here and I'll show you that. It's all right there. So here's my big care package. This is everything that I got in my care package. Okay. So I got some wet ones. These help for like germs, like stop the spread of germs. I also got some toothpaste. I got a little bottle of lotion. I got some nighttime pads and some regular pads. I'm really excited about this. This is actually spray on, what is it called? Sunscreen. Spray on sunscreen. So then you don't have to worry about like the kind that gets on your fingers, like lotion. And then I also got another thing of cologne. This is a different scent. And then this lady also gave me bobby pins. I don't really wear bobby pins, so these will probably go to my mom. And then I got a little thing of conditioner and a little thing of shampoo and some deodorant. And I also got some lip balm. And then this is, I think this is body wash. Yeah, this is body wash. And then I thought this is really cool. This is moisturizing after sun lotion. So basically, if you start to get a sunburn, or you do have a sunburn, you put that on there. And then the last thing I got was a razor. Thank you all for watching. Bye, everyone.